Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to make PDF in iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Photos app on iPhone. Select any photo to convert as PDF. Tap Share button on bottom left. Then scroll up and tap Print. Now, using two fingers, pinch to zoom on the image. Then tap Share button on bottom right. Finally, tap Save to Files. You can tap arrow button on top left and choose the location where you want to save. You can save on your iPhone and tap Save on top right. That's it. Open Files app. Here you will see your converted PDF file. Long press on the file and go for get info photo.pdf. So these are the steps to make PDF in iPhone.